G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is a small splashback. They want the tile like that, so that'll be nice, because with it there's a little bit of slope, so they can put whatever up there. A lot of people put plants and that sort of thing, but if there's any water up there, it'll drain off. They want it wrapping around into here, brass angle across there, into there, down here, same on this side, and I'll be coming up here with brass angle and across. So there's a fair bit of brass angle to do. I'll just pop this in. I'm using a 6mm notch trowel. I'll come up to about there. I've probably got to go a little bit higher, but I don't want to go too high with the glue. So we'll start there. Always in situations like this, it's sort of a little bit tricky to get your glue on, but you just get it on the best way you can. You know, sometimes you use a flat trowel like that, and then you go over it and get your notches. Then you bang them up. Don't put too many on because your glue dries fairly fast. Don't forget to not put too much glue on the wall, because, well, here it's the degrees is about 30 degrees, so that will skin, and then your tiles won't stick. A little trick to get halfway: when you've got your tiles up on the wall, you get your halfway mark like that, but to get another halfway mark when you've got nothing to go off, guess halfway, mark it there, bring it along, mark it there, and that point there is dead center. That's how you get your center marks. Alright, I'll sign off and I'll see you soon. Bye.